Welcome to Lego with Enver. Hello, welcome to Lego with Enver, and today our special guest is going to be one of my brothers. And yeah, he is not my brother from last episode. He's a little bit older, and so his name is Nile.
Hi.
So Nile, what are we building today?
We are building a Lego Ferris wheel.
I have done this before, but I haven't posted that video, so yeah, it was kind of really bad quality, but yeah. So yeah, we will get our first pieces up on the screen right now. So yeah, nothing crazy. Just a Lego platform with these following pieces. Yeah. Lego Technic brick with a pin on it right here. The arch piece. That is everything. And yeah, our next pieces are this lineup for the Ferris wheel. My goodness, it took me forever. My words are kind of slow today, but yeah. So we are just gonna snap that right on, just like that. If I'm even gonna get it on there. There we go. And yeah, let's move on to our next pieces. And there. Yeah, so we have a gear attached to a worm gear right here. And then there's a motor, a receiver for the remote because we want to control the different speeds. And this part that will stick up from the platform will look like this. And yeah, our other part also is just this really small gray gear. It looks like this. And yeah, I'm just going to connect the pieces actually. So I'm gonna get the motor onto these two black pins, and then snap this part right on there. I can get this. It's such a tricky thing. It's like so much pressure on it because it's not supposed to be at this type of angle. But we also need to snap on our gear to this other side of the axle. And boom. And yeah, let's move that aside and get our next pieces. So this will be like the main part of the Ferris wheel. These gears I just added mostly for decoration and because I need a separator that is two more after this gear. And yeah, that is the Ferris wheel part. And then we have 4 of these, an L-shaped piece attached to a thing, and an axle, and another axle on a loose pin. yeah, so 4 of those. I also made, so 2 of them were red and the other 2 are yellow. But that's what I did, just to make it look cool. And this gear we will connect to our really small gray gear that we have right here. So we'll go in just like that, and then we stick that part in, but technical difficulties here or something. It's not, oh, I know why. We need to make it one more out. There we go. Now we're gonna push that in, and we're gonna take this piece, like tiny pin. It's like a washer. Stick it right on there. And there, now we have the Ferris wheel attached to the motor. Also, just for decoration, we also have this part that's orange, and then I just put 2 more round plates behind it. Snap that right in the middle, and yeah, there is our main part of the Ferris wheel. And by the way, I didn't mention this, but this Ferris wheel is mostly going to be made for my Minecraft minifigures, because they need some attention. They've just been sitting in my bin like forever, and yeah, if I was one of those minifigures, I would not like that. But yeah, let's move these aside and get that piece. Actually, we need to get this piece again, because for this part, we are just snapping this right on there, just like so. And then yeah, now we have the battery box attached, and then we're gonna attach this cord on there. And then yeah, now we're gonna get our base plate back. So let's just get that. Man, I'm bumping the camera a lot today. And yeah, we are just going to snap this on like that. We're going to take this part off. Stick that on there. And then push that in. There. And now we have the Ferris wheel attached. So yeah, now we are just going to attach our seats on. So let's do that really quick. And boom. Now we have the whole thing completed. Next, we just have to add our minifigures, because that's gonna bring the whole thing to life. So, take all of these guys. Please don't judge me for putting tape on the bottom of them. That might be kind of illegal, Lego-wise. But, just gonna snap each one of these on there. And yeah. We also got Steve. Put him on there. And by the way, tomorrow, if this works out, my friend will be coming over, and we are going to be making an RC car. If you didn't know, RC stands for remote control. And yeah, Just gonna finish snapping these guys on there. And I would not want to be the minifigure in the line there though, because it looks a little bit squishy, but it'll do. And then, for even more decoration, I have some more pieces. So we have, oh shoot. Anyway, we have some obsidian, cactus, some of my favorite block, which is TNT. Let's just put that one right there. Got diamond ores. Oh, that'd be sick if that was deep slate. And then 2 more blocks of TNT. Put one right there. And right there. And yeah, we have our full-on thing finished. So let's go downstairs as always, and we will have Nile to test it. So yeah, we have our thing, Ferris wheel. And now, do you want to activate it? It's so cool to watch. So yeah, that is our Lego Ferris wheel. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.